Hey guys, it's Evie. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with friend Emery. She lives in my neighborhood.
I think I bit my lip.
She thinks she bit her lip. So today we're going to be doing a video, and we have slimes, and we're going to be comparing them. So one person is going to get one slime, and the other is going to get the other slime, and then we're going to compare them, but we're going to have our eyes closed when we pick the slime. So let's get started. Okay. Close your eyes and then pick a slime. Okay. The slime I got, it's clear.
And this is the slime I got.
Sparkles in it, and then she got this slime with streamers in it. I think that one's gonna win.
This has streamers in it?
Yeah, they all dissolved, and then, yeah, I think that slime won.
Is that why it's like really hard and...
Yeah, but Emery, you need to get, here, Emery, go up here. So
in the camera it looks very light, but it's actually like a kind of darkish.
yeah. Now let me, oh yeah, the lights on. Okay, so this is my slime. So Emery, stretch your slime. That's my stretch.
This is my stretch.
Yeah, and then
It actually fills the whole camera up, and now it looks like a pink. If I made a poop out of this, it looks like the pink poop emoji. But I would have to make a mouth with that, and then eyes with this.
okay, so I think we know that one
Wait,
because
you have to switch.
oh, you need to switch. Oh, I got on the carpet. I didn't get on the carpet though. This slime is wonderful. I think so. You had this one first, so I think this slime.
That gets for me, that gets a 10 out of 10. For me, this gets like a 10 out of 3.
No, you mean a 3 out of 10?
Yeah, 3 out of it. For this gets a 3 out of 10.
Because it just looks nice. And there's sparkles.
Yeah. It looks like It looks like a Christmas tree, and these are tiny ornaments.
So yeah, it's like a Christmas slime. So I'm pretty sure this one, but Emery hit it first, so we can give her 1 point. I'm gonna keep.
We're not gonna get points, Evie.
Yeah, we're gonna get points.
Why?
So I'm gonna keep track of the points. I have a sheet of paper right here. Let me get a marker. I just so happen to have everything I need. And I have that. There's like so much craft stuff.
For me, do pink, and then for you wanna do?
I'm gonna do
Should I
purple.
add these slimes in, Evie?
Yeah, you can have those.
Okay. I think I really need to stretch easy.
I can't find a pink.
That's pink right there.
It's a highlighter. I don't think that would write that good. Pick another color.
Yellow.
Yellow might not show up. I'm gonna do green.
I'll do blue.
Green and purple. Okay, we're gonna do blue and purple.
Can I pick now?
No, because we're gonna keep track of the points. So,
why do you half purple and half blue?
because then it's even. So E-V-I-E. That's how I spell my name.
E-M-E-R-Y.
I know.
Emily. You're Emily.
E-M-E-R-Y. Okay, so paper. And
One point for me.
Emery has 1 point.
Wait, that spells Emily?
Emery. I don't even know if okay.
Can I pick first?
Yes. Go ahead, but close your eyes. Okay.
I think this... Ooh, yes. This one may win. This yellow.
I don't know because that one's. It's like, okay, guys. So in the comments, please tell me what slime won because these are both really good slimes. I think this one is a really pretty color.
And yeah, this one's actually really pretty color. This looks like the sun, but sparkles. I love sparkles.
Okay, so
So,
here, this is the slime.
Evie, let's see how far it stretches.
Okay.
Evie, no.
Yeah, it
Evie,
just broke.
I need to stretch it. See, I need to stretch it. Whoa. Evie.
You want to get in there?
Mine stretched way farther, I think.
Okay, so I think we are both gonna get points because this one's kind of like a tie.
I think green. Wait, Evie, I need to
Put it back. No,
Evie, I need
we're not gonna do switching anymore. Okay,
Evie,
so
what? The ones that we already did, I put them up here. And you just toss them back in.
so
But we can't do them again.
whoops. This one's in there. Okay.
So,
Get one. Okay.
can I put mine in that one?
Yep.
I got this pink butt slime.
Oh, butt slime. You're lucky you got butt slime.
Ew, but it feels so chunky.
Here, give me.
I don't like that.
Ooh,
Can
there's
we
so
switch
much
slime?
cornstarch in it.
Can we switch slimes?
No. Okay, so I think this one won.
Can I feel that?
No, you've
But I
already
don't
felt it.
like the feel.
Okay, so you have your own butt slime. Okay, so I think this one won because Emery is getting freaked out by it.
I don't like that.
Okay. Write it. Here we go. This is mine, and this is Emery's.
We already did this green one, right?
Yes. So those are the ones we already did.
Yeah.
Ah. Get over there.
Okay, I'm gonna fix mine real quick.
Okay.
You broke my leg.
You got the clear slime.
I don't think I don't feel like this one. It smells.
It smells. Emery, come into the camera. Oh, this is nice. I made this at her house, and I called it Hello Tide because...
Wait, Evie, can I feel that? Because I don't have that good one.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. My orange is because I actually left it at your house
No, you didn't.
last time. I'm serious. I actually did left.
Okay, so this is the Tide.
Ew, that's so much. This is so much. I love that.
Look at
Hey,
that.
don't get your
Hold on,
own.
hold on. I'm going to give you a table.
Why?
Because
I don't want a table.
I'm going to get a table. So,
I cannot see my slime. I'm digging into my slime.
yeah, that's because you need a table.
Hey, you can't do that.
Alright, you want one?
I'm gonna try one.
People can see your slime.
So I think my one.
Yeah.
Stevie loves this slime. Is clear and pearlescent. And
It looks pearlescent. It's not pearlescent, but it looks pearlescent.
Yeah,
Like
kind
it's
of.
like a white pearlescent.
And like mine stretches way farther than Evie's. Evie stretches out so everybody can say. See? Evie's fine.
Did you just burp?
No, I think my slime burped.
Ew.
My slime
Okay, so
burped.
we can agree that Emery, I think, won this.
Wait, can I feel this?
Nope.
Fine, I'll let you feel mine.
No, I don't care.
I'm keeping it.
No, you're not.
It's a big chunk. Everybody. It looks very small on the camera, but it's actually a humongous chunk. That's why this is its container. Ow. You just broke my pinky.
Oh, by the way, guys, these containers, if you have if you eat yogurt or sour cream, or in this case, I have. So this is this is the yogurt. This is sour cream, and this is coconut oil. And I'm using these because they're really good containers.
And lots of them work.
See, this one has a clear lid, so you can look in. This one does too, but there's nothing in it. Okay, so close your eyes, and we'll pick these iron.
You're on my leg. I'm feeling for a good slime. Feeling for
one. Is there slimes under? What did you get?
Oh, I got this. Ow, Evie, you're on my knee. That hurt. You're on this knee, not my other knee. Don't need to take a slime for you. No. Ow! I think she broke my ear, everybody. Ow. Ow. She's snorting like Ella. Everybody, she snores.
I'm in my pajamas because it's Friday night. Woo!
We don't have any school tonight.
This is
The best slime. My white slime is the best.
this is sticky. This is apparently
My
very sticky.
slime's the best.
So this was supposed to be a snow slime that I made.
This is a snow slime, everybody.
Ooh.
But this actually glows in the dark, and Evie made this at my house.
She glow in the dark paint, but I think this is just like not
Can I
working.
feel that, Evie?
Okay, so I think Emery won.
How much points do I have? We both have 2.
You have
3.
4 because you won 2 rounds, but I forgot to give you points. Okay, we're just gonna put this right in.
Evie, do you want to feel this? Can I feel that?
Nope,
Why?
because it's thicker.
Don't ask me why I'm putting slime on my Band-Aid. It's like an
Why are
ice.
you putting slime on your Band-Aid?
It's like an ice pack. I'm serious. Put that on your elbow. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on your elbow. Doesn't it
It's
feel
cold.
like-
It's cold. It's cold.
I know. Doesn't it feel like an ice pack?
It does feel cold.
It feels
Okay,
like
so
an ice
guys, this slime smells so good, but it's so
Evie, how
thick.
about I do my food?
I need to add, because this is a glossy slime, and when you squeeze it, it gets on your hands. You have to squeeze around with me.
Wrecking the slimes everywhere.
How about you stop wrestling me?
Wrestling you, Misty. Misty? I'll call you by Misty.
Are you guys wrestling?
No!
No.
Oh,
Do you
man.
want me to add me 2 points since you forgot my last time?
Yeah, just two lines. 1, 2. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Okay, so guys, this
What
one,
is in this box?
it's nothing. There's nothing in there.
Oh, like, it's crumbly hard stuff.
Oh, that's dried slime.
And it poked me.
That's dried slime. That's dried slime with cardboard.
Everybody don't even know what. Everybody don't even ask me why my knee's hurting.
Oh, her knee's hurting because a boy named Jake pushed her on like it's kind of like a road.
No, on a guy named Jack. He pushed me
Onto like
the blacktop.
which is like basically like a road, and then she like her
Fell
knee.
down. My knee's bleeding, and
Have to get more Band-Aids, and I don't like it. Those Band-Aids actually smell like trash bags from the nurse.
smell it, everybody.
Okay, but guys, it just smells like trash bags. So
Smell it.
okay, just
Everybody
so weird.
smell it. What? Ha!
You're a crazy sister.
You're crazy, sister.
You just made me. Okay, so I think I got it all in my hands.
Yeah, a tiny bit on the side of your
Oh,
hand.
tiny bit on my hand. No.
Your dad will probably let us.
Hey, Dad,
You're okay?
can we get some candy?
No, you can't have candy. You just been eating candy all day. All right.
We had dinner
Okay. Good argument.
with peas.
Yeah, you can have some candy.
Can we even have one?
Yeah.
No, we can have more than one.
You can have 2.
We can have more than 2.
You just got the-
All right, let's go get some candy. I love candy. Okay, get all this.
What we have.
Got a lot of candy. So,
I'm gonna look inside.
no, we're gonna.
Try this, Evie.
No, not a big Milky Way. No, no, no. No, it's for the big Milky Ways.
So we can't have anything like a big car.
Yeah.
Peas,
Peas, peas.
peas.
Ew. Okay. Candy.
Here, Evie. The slime's dripping out of this container.
Okay. Ooh, Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, see, I did. Evie, can I have one of these?
Yeah.
I have a pink and an orange.
Ooh, I might have more candy. You just stay there. Yeah.
Where's the other candy? How about we have the other candy for our next one, Evie? You wanna?
No, I want to know there's other candy.
Okay. What did you say? I cannot hear you down in your house.
Ooh. Yeah. Go back down here, Emery.
Everybody looks a little hard to hear Evie. Don't get sad. Amy, did you pause this?
Okay. I got the mint and I got Savannah Smiles. I don't like Savannah Smiles.
What's
cool.
that?
Let's go stop cookies.
I don't want these. Why'd you put it over to me?
Because I did.
Guys, I might be doing these over video, but don't worry.
Okay, so I think that's all about that video. If you guys like it, if you did, comment and hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.